A credit card is a payment card that allows you to borrow money from a financial institution, usually a bank, to make purchases or to access cash advances. Here is how a credit card works. Application. To get a credit card, you need to apply for one. You will need to fill out an application with your personal and financial information. Approval. The credit card issuer will evaluate your application and determine if you are eligible for a credit card. Your credit score, income, and other factors will be taken into consideration. Credit limit. If you are approved for a credit card, you will be assigned a credit limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend on your credit card. Making purchases. You can use your credit card to make purchases online or in store. When you use your credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the credit card issuer. The amount you spend will be added to your outstanding balance. Monthly statement. At the end of each month, the credit card issuer will send you a statement that shows your outstanding balance, minimum payment due, and any fees or interest charges. Payment. You are required to make at least the minimum payment each month. If you do not pay the full outstanding balance, interest will be charged on the remaining balance. If you do not make the minimum payment, you may be charged late fees. Rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs where you can earn cash back, points, or miles for making purchases on your credit card. Credit score. Your credit card usage will be reported to credit bureaus, and your credit score will be affected by how responsibly you use your credit card. Making on-time payments and keeping your outstanding balance low will improve your credit score. Overall, a credit card can be a convenient and useful financial tool if used responsibly.